beach. There's nothing more to see. It's raining today.
During our 3 days in Interlaken, we had rain or clouds for 2 of them, but we'll show you how much there still is to do and enjoy no matter the weather. This was honestly the best hotel we stayed in our entire trip because of this lounge area.
Lounge area. Free coffee and tea. We have a microwave. Yes, they even have plates. They even have plates and utensils.
Double dose.
We're now heading to Blausee, a small picturesque lake nestled in a nature park near Kanderstad. To get there, we took a train to Frutigen and then transferred to a bus, making it about an hour 20-minute journey from our hotel. Entry to the park is 13 francs per person, which includes a boat ride on the lake. Though it was drizzling and misty, the lake's beauty was unaffected, thanks to its low elevation. Blausee is much more accessible than some of Switzerland's other blue lakes, which often require hours of hiking. The name Blausee translates to blue lake, and it perfectly describes the lake's vibrant blue waters. Although small, Blausee is a breathtaking sight, surrounded by dense forests that add to its charm. Typically, people pair Blausee with a visit to a larger lake nearby, which is exactly what we did. We took a short 10-minute bus ride to Kanderstad, where we could catch a cable car up to Oeschinensee, one of Switzerland's most stunning turquoise lakes, surrounded by the majestic Swiss Alps. Thanks to the cable car and an easy path to the lake shore, this lake is accessible for all ages and abilities. Unfortunately, the ticket lady warned us that we might not see much because of the clouds. But since we were already there, we decided to take our chances and bought tickets for 16 francs each.
Wow, it's so misty.
But yeah, once we got up there, it was completely foggy.
Trekking in the clouds.
We then decided to take the 25-minute trail walk to the lakeshore anyway. Although the lake was shrouded in fog, I could just imagine how vibrant it will look on a clear day, with people picnicking and rowing boats across the water. Despite the disappointment, we made the best of it by setting off on a hike from the lakeshore. Honestly, it was peaceful, and hiking through the fog had this magical, otherworldly feel to it. This trail was supposed to lead us up the mountains, where we would get a view of the lake below.
We are supposed to be surrounded by mountains, and here it was supposed to be a light blue lake.
The trail. Number 2 is Zimmer. Oh, actually I requested quiet room, that's why, all the way across. Piano table. Cupboard. And the toilet. Oh, pretty decent. Walking through Interlaken. What is this? High protein orange.
The train is not bad.
Is it?
The weather today wasn't ideal either. Although it wasn't raining, it was still quite foggy.
Someone's paragliding. How's your morning?
So far.
We started our day with a morning stroll through Interlaken, where we saw paragliders landing in a park just off of the town centre. Interlaken is lined with grand hotels, which we passed along our walk. Here, you can take a funicular train up to Kalm for stunning views of the lakes and mountains, but with the foggy weather, we decided to skip it. Now, we're on a 45-minute train ride to Grindelwald, a popular gateway for the Jungfrau region. Our original plan was to take a cable car up to Grindelwald Fiest and get the adventure package.
Mountain Fiest peeking through the clouds.
The package includes unlimited rides on the Fiest cable car and your choice of 1 or 2 activities, like the mountain cart, trotty bike, or flying fox. I'm not sure about the exact prices, but it was a bit pricey, and with the weather looking uncertain, we decided it wouldn't be worth it. Instead, we decided to simply explore the charming streets of Grindelwald and take in the beautiful surroundings. In the afternoon, we decided to take a cruise on Lake Brienz, boarding from Interlaken Ost. There's also an option to cruise on Lake Thun if you're interested. The cruise only departs every 2 hours, so it's important to plan accordingly. The best part is that the cruise is included with the Swiss Travel Pass, so we didn't have to pay anything extra. This boat trip lets you explore the small villages around Lake Brienz and enjoy the stunning natural landscapes of Switzerland's Bernese Oberland region. The one-way trip from Interlaken Ost to Brienz takes about an hour and 15 minutes. We planned to take the boat all the way to Brienz, and along the way, we stopped by some iconic villages, including Iserlohn, famous for being a filming location in the Korean drama Crash Landing on You. We also passed a beautiful little castle on a forested peninsula, which is best viewed from the water. Another stop along the way was Eresbach, home to a stunning waterfall and a grand hotel dating back to the late 1800s. And finally, we reached the last stop, Brienz. The first thing we did was grab some chocolate from Coop.
245 francs. Wow!
Was this as your metal foundation?
We then took a stroll along the shoreline and just admired the blue waters. Brienz is a charming village, perfect for wandering and admiring traditional Swiss architecture. I highly recommend strolling down Blausee, where you'll find several 18th century wooden chalets. The balconies and windowsills are beautifully decorated with flowers, adding to the charm of this cobblestone street. We then backtracked and took the cruise back to Iserlohn. Apparently, you have to pay to enter this specific scene from Crash Landing on You in Iserlohn. This tiny fairy tale village is home to less than 500 people. It's dotted with picturesque Swiss houses and charming lakeside cafes and restaurants, making it a perfect spot to relax and take in the views.
It's so cute. proud of our stash. Okay, time to heat it up.
Day 5.
Today there is sun. Oh, the sun nice. We're walking to the station now.
We're incredibly lucky to have a beautiful sunny day for our trip to Lauterbrunnen, one of Switzerland's most popular tourist destinations.
Lauterbrunnen.
See the Starbucks Falls.
The waterfall. Starbucks.
We quickly made our way to a lesser-known trail through the valley, leading to an incredible viewpoint overlooking the chapel and Starbucks Falls.
Walking to Strolling for 1 hour 30 minutes.
Our plan was to reach the Schilthorn mountain cable car in Strolling, which means walking 5 kilometers through the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Along the way, we were surrounded by stunning views, majestic rocky cliffs, and the soothing sounds of a river flowing nearby. At Strolling, we took the cable car up to Berg, where we were instantly greeted by breathtaking close-up views of the Bernese Alps. The ticket cost us 42.8 francs each.
Wow!
One of these, Eiger Monk Jungfrau, Eiger Young Jungfrau.
This place offers some thrilling experiences, including a cliff walk and transparent walking platforms. We were absolutely in awe of the view, especially the iconic trio of mountain peaks, the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau.
Some ham, salami, and this one prosciutto.
From Berg, we took another cable car up to the summit of Schilthorn, which sits at nearly 3,000 meters in altitude and offers a stunning 360-degree view of the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau, and over 200 other peaks. In my opinion, the cable car ride up to Berg is more than enough to take in the scenery, and it can save you quite a bit on ticket costs.
James Bond.
Next, we took the cable car down to Mürren, a cozy mountain village nestled at the foot of Schilthorn. Mürren offers stunning alpine views in complete tranquility, free from traffic noise. After spending some time exploring the village, we decided to make our way to Wengen, another peaceful, picturesque town.
Isn't this like the what they call Petite France? Italian village.
7 p.m. and it's so bright.
Every holiday comes with its fair share of panic moments like this.
Mega L. Losing the tripod. Losing the tripod. Backtracking all the way back to Mürren. We found a tripod, but now we're stuck on Mürren. Pink color. Look who's there.
After retrieving the tripod, we realized that we had missed the last cable car down to Lauterbrunnen, leaving us stranded in Mürren. We hurried down Mürren as the sun set, with everything gradually fading into darkness.
Reaching before 9 p.m. in darkness. Lucky there's still some light.
Just lucky that there's people around.
Buy some chicken strips.